Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. So today is going to be a video of a quick, easy DIY personalizing the elf that you can get from Dollar Tree. It is currently $1.25. Ooh, that 25 cents makes such a big difference, but they're still pretty cute. And all you do is find whatever font that you like. Go ahead and write your child's name or whatever saying you want to put on the elf. And we're going to have that Cricut machine cut it for us, and then we're going to press it on, and that will be pretty much it. So keep on watching. I do apologize that this looks blurry. I have no idea of how to screen record my desktop and then add it to the video. So until then, this is what I can do. But I was just trying to show you what it looks like when you do not mirror your image, because you want to make sure you do that when you are doing your vinyl, because if you don't, it will be read backwards once you press it on. But I also want to share that never throw away the scrap vinyl that you have from other big projects, because you can use them for small things like this. Every little bit counts. So here are the elves we'll be using this year, and I want to take time to show you the ones that I did the last 2 years. Joshua have lost his from last year. He can't tell me where it is, and I am still looking for it. But Dollar Tree also have different plush characters. If you choose not to use the elf, they also have little girl ones too. There's so many different varieties you can find at Dollar Tree to kind of make this more personalized if you had a different theme in mind. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I set up my heat press to place the transfer vinyl on the elves. So you just set your temperature to 305 and the timer to 10 seconds, and it doesn't take long at all for it to heat up, and that's all you need to get ready to press it down. While I'm waiting on my heat press to get ready, I'm just making sure the elf is comfortable, and I'm going to go ahead and place my vinyl where I want it to be. I just try to center it the best way I can. I fold my vinyl before I lay it on there, and then I kind of match it up with a belt or something that I feel that is centered before I press it down. Just that easy, you guys. Then you're gonna peel it off. You can peel this one warm, and that's it. Look how cute it is. And the next one I'm gonna go ahead and do for Joshua. Once it's done, I'm gonna go ahead and place it on their bookshelf. And they just turn out so cute to me, and the boys absolutely love them. They run around with them. That's probably how Joshua lost his last year. And they also like to hold it while we're reading stories. And that's going to be it, you guys. I'm just trying to find the best placement for them. And if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what are some of the things that you're doing during the holidays with your kiddos. And if you're new and you want to join the family, we'll love to have you. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Right here. This is for Joshua, and this is for Michael. Yay! You want me to read now? Okay. Read with your elf.